All right, so we're looking at question number 6. And question number 6 says, in this question, take pi to be 22/7. The diagram below shows a rectangular tank with a base 50 centimeter by 40 centimeter, and it is used to store water. The tank is filled with water to a depth of 15 centimeter. Calculate the volume of water in the tank. Now, first thing, a liquid takes the shape of its container. So since the container is a cuboid, the liquid in the container is also a cuboid. So therefore, the volume of liquid, which is water, would be equal to length times width times height. The length is 50, the width is 40, and the height of water is 15. So the volume of water in the tank, 50 by 40 by 15. This says, looks like 30,000. This is 30,000 centimeters cube. So volume, the unit of volume is centimeters cube. And this is the volume of water in the tank. What are we told next? Next, we are told that the cylindrical container shown in the diagram below is used to fetch more water to fill the rectangular tank. The container, which is completely filled with water, the container which is completely filled with water has a radius of 20 centimeter and a height of 21 centimeter. All the water in the container is added. All the water in the container is added to the water in the rectangular tank. Calculate the total volume of water that is now in the rectangular tank. Well, let us determine, well, what is the volume of water that this cylinder can scoop up. Volume or capacity of the tank. That's a cylindrical tank, is equal to AH. Now where A is the area of the uniform cross section, which in this case is a circle, and H is the height. So this is for the cylinder, pi r square h. This is 22/7 times 21. Sorry, not 21, it's 20. Times 20 times 20 times the height, which is 21. It's pi r square h. 7 into 21 is 3. So the volume of the cylinder can hold 22 times 20 times 20 times 3. This says 26,400. 26,400 centimeters cube of water. So this cylinder was filled with water and then now poured into the tank. Then we're asked now for the total volume. The total volume, and that would be 30 plus 26,400, and that would be 56,400 centimeters cube. So somebody went with this cylindrical bucket, fill it up with water, and pour it now back in the rectangular tank. The total volume of water now in the tank is 56,400 centimeters cube. Next, we're asked, show that the new depth of water in the rectangular tank is 28.8 centimeters. Guys, so the volume of water in the tank is equal to length times width times height, and this is equal to 56,400. Remember, no, we just pour in a new amount of water in it. So it has now increased. The height has now increased from 15. The height was 15. Now some things remain unchanged. The length is still 50. The width is still what? 40. But what has changed is the depth of water in the tank. Because you pour in more water, now the water level has what? Risen. So the depth or height of water is different. But this is equal to what? 56,400. 20 times 50. Sorry, 50 times 40. What is that? 2,000. 2,000 H is equal to 56,400. If I divide both sides by 2,000, H, the height of water in the container now is 540, 564, 564 divide by 20. All right, let's go again. 564 divide by 20. And the answer is 28.2. 28.2 centimeters. So we were asked to show that with the new, when you pour in the new height, the new amount of water into the tank, the new height would be 28.2, and we just did that. Now we're told that the vertical height of the rectangular tank is 48 centimeters. Determine how many more cylindrical container of water must be poured into the rectangular tank for it to be completely filled. All right, so let's work out the capacity of the tank. The capacity is 50 by 40 by 48. Because remember, we're told that the height of the tank is 48. So the capacity is capacity is 96,000 centimeters cube. That's the capacity of the tank. Currently, the space remaining is 96 minus the 56,400. That's the amount of water space remaining. 96,000 minus 56,400. So this is 39,600. Now, number of buckets, number of cylinders would be the total number of volume remaining divide by the volume of one cylinder, which is what? The volume of one cylinder is what? 26,400? Yep, 26,400. So divide this by 26,400. Minus sorry, not minus, it's divide 39,600. divide by 26,400. This is 3/2, or 1.5, or 1.5 cylinders. So how much more cylinder of water would be needed to fill a tank? And the answer is 1.5. All right, and that's the end of the question.